If you are still not running any Facebook retargeting campaign, then you are missing out on a huge gold mine. Imagine people visiting your website and leaving without making a purchase. Do you want to let them go that easy? No, right? So here, Facebook retargeting can help. Hi everyone, I'm Shiv Gupta, and in this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Facebook retargeting and the reason why Facebook retargeting can be your secret weapon. Before we dive into the details, let's discuss what exactly is Facebook retargeting. Facebook retargeting is a process of finding the people who have visited your website earlier and using their data to target them on Facebook. You can then run some ad campaigns to target those people and convince them to head back to your website. You might be thinking whether this is just another marketing tactic that promises the world only for you to still struggle to prove ROI once the campaign comes to an end. The truth is, Facebook retargeting works and the conversion rate increases heavily when the same website visitors are retargeted with display ads to remind them about your business. With the active monthly users of Facebook base and 22 billion ad clicks per year, the opportunities to get more business through Facebook ads are endless. And what better way to start than with familiar faces? Just think about it as the dating pool. You obviously would be more comfortable going on a second date with someone you have already had a pleasant evening with, rather than a blind date with someone who is offbeat. The same goes for Facebook retargeting. If someone has already visited your website, downloaded your ebook, or engaged with your app, the chances of them interacting with your ad and purchasing from your brand are much higher than seeing your brand for the first time on Facebook. In fact, Facebook retargeting ad gets 3 times more engagement than regular Facebook ads. Now let's talk about how you can create your Facebook retargeting campaign. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account manager and select audiences. You will find audiences in the drop-down menu when you click on Business Manager at the top hand side of the screen. Step 2. Click on Create Audiences and select Custom Audiences. Again, you can find the Create Audience options at the top left of your screen. For retargeting, you have to select Custom Audience, which can allow you to set up a campaign that reaches the people who have visited your website. Step 3. Select Website Traffic. You may get some options here, but for retargeting, you have to focus on website traffic so that you can reach the people who got to your site. Step 4. Select your target audience from the drop-down menu. You redirect to a page, as you can see that on the screen, that allows you to create your audience. You have the option of targeting the following audiences: anyone who visits your website, people who visit specific pages, people visit specific web pages but not others, people who haven't visited in a certain amount of time. Custom combination is also available. Just to show you how it looks, we have set up a custom audience that is targeting people who visit our blog. As you can see, you can select a date range, give it a name, and you are ready to get going. Step 5. Get your pixel code and place it on your website. If you don't have pixel tracking code on your website, you will need it in order to start retargeting. If you don't know what pixel code is, let me explain it to you. Pixel code is a code that you need to put on your website to track visitors. It places a tiny 1x1 pixel on your website that is transparent and can't be seen. It allows your website visitors to be tracked. By knowing that they have seen the pixel, you get to know that they have been on a particular page of your website or have taken a particular action. Now you are ready to go. There is no doubt that Facebook retargeting ads are one of the fastest ways to boost sales and conversion rates. It simply takes a few minutes to get started, and you can start to recover your lost sales. Implementing a good retargeting strategy can drastically improve your paid advertising ROI. So, are you ready to start retargeting on your Facebook? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.